That's my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to blow a balloon. So first, we are going to be doing one thing. And as you know, I'm going to be exchanging the balloon. So I'm going to change things. So first, we got this brand new balloon. And what you're going to be doing to make the balloon more effective, you're going to be stretching this to make it ready. And then you're going to put it in your mouth. Make sure it runs. Hold just the fingers at the top of the center like this to affect the air to be put it out and start blowing. When you blow, make sure both of these hands are ready. So what you're going to do is you're going to first we're going to do it blow. Close it, make sure it's shield. It's like shield, like that. You're gonna take a breather and you're gonna go in.
I love it. I love it.
See that? Take a breather. Take that air. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that breather air that you take a breath with. You're going to use it in the balloon so that the balloon can see and blow big. Okay? So yeah guys, that's how you blow a balloon. And yeah, bye. Come. So the next method is in the next video. I'll teach you guys how to do it. But first I need to figure out how to die.